When we look for directions, use labels to identify things, or read, we get information from printed words. But what happens when we can no longer see those printed words? Our daily lives will become difficult and complex. Yet, visually impaired people live with these difficulties every day. That's why we need an easier way for everyone to read printed words. Introducing the first portable braille printer, Vrailler. Vrailler lets sighted people communicate with visually impaired using braille. Setup is simple. Using the braille alphabet as a reference, place the braille pins from left to right into the Vrailler slate, like you're typing on a keyboard. Next, place a label on top and insert the locking pin. Finally, slide the slate into the Vrailler cube and push in and out 2 to 3 times. When you're finished, you'll have a label printed in braille. Braille labels can be used to identify drinks in the fridge, medicines in bottles, and even if you should pull or push to open a door. Each label is transparent, so both visually impaired and sighted people can read it. The Vrailler is portable and easy to carry. It also lets you quickly duplicate labels. Communicate with everyone.